In this video, I'll show you how to enable and disable the raise to wake feature on your OnePlus Watch 4. So basically this feature allows you to raise your watch and it will automatically turn on the screen, as you can see. So if you want to enable and disable this feature, all you have to do is go to settings by simply swiping down from the watch face to access the control center and tap on the settings wheel icon. Now within the settings, scroll down and find display and brightness, tap on it, and the first option you should see is the raise to wake. Now by default it has been enabled, that's why when you raise your watch it will see it. So if you want to disable it, simply tap on that toggle switch icon and that will disable the raise to wake feature. So whenever you try to raise it, it will no longer wake the screen. Now if you want to enable it back, simply go back to the settings, select display and brightness, then find raise to wake, toggle that switch icon, and that should enable this feature. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.